Hi everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve. Okay, today's video we're gonna do an unboxing. Remember last time I did the Disney Employee Store $25 mystery box? Today we are upgrade this to, are you ready? $45 box. Let's see what's in here. This is like a double the size. Hopefully we get something really amazing. If you like video like this, make sure you follow me over here. Turn on notification bell so you know the time and day I release my video. Let's get started. Where can you buy this? Unfortunately, this is really Disney employee exclusive. You have to be employee, go to employee exclusive store to purchase. And I'm just very lucky. I know somebody worked there and they gave me this box for free, so I can unbox this. So you can't really buy it. I'm sorry, but anyway, you get to watch what's in here, right? By the way, all the items here they are either damaged or returned, so they are not in perfect condition. That's just only $45, but $45. Do you know how expensive at Disney? The stuff at Disney is crazy expensive. Anyway, we're gonna just open this and I have a calculator here, so we're gonna calculate how much is the total, okay? First, I feel like my nieces are the happiest person because last box pretty much all go to them. I got another princess dress. Oh my gosh. So this one is the 11 to 12 years old. I mean, I don't see what's wrong with this. I think this may be too big for my niece, but we'll see. So this one, I know at Disney probably is at least $80. So I'm gonna put $80 here. The lace here is a little bit more damaged, but that's okay, you know, that's pretty. Okay, that's one. Oh my God, another dress. It's a mermaid, Little Mermaid. And this one's for the age 7 and 8. Oh, I think my niece can wear this. The sequins still look very nice. It has a little damage right here, like, I don't know, wait. Like that, you can just cut this off, no big deal. So I would say this probably say that $50. And then, by the way, I really hope I get something for myself. Oh, t-shirt. So this is a Disney 70s Celebration long sleeve t-shirt. And this one is size small. Yeah, this probably goes to my sister, small. Disney t-shirts at least $30. I'm gonna say $30 for that. Pirates Caribbean sword. I have no idea how much is this thing. I'm pretty sure it's missing some pieces here. I'll say that $5 for this one. Oh, what's this? 70 Celebration photo album. So photo album. Wow, this is nice. So I would say at least $25. Let's put $20 in here for now. So we get some idea. And then we get reusable tote bag. Usually tote bag is like $3 or $4. We're gonna put $3 because I forgot how much. I do love this tote though. They are so good. I'm gonna use that. Another tote bag, yay! Oh, this one's broke. The bottom is broken, so this needs to be trash. Oh wait, there's stuff in here. Hold on. Oh, just map. Okay, so this one's broken. We're gonna say $1. Okay, so this one is throw this away. I'm not gonna spend time trying to fix the bag. Trash. Okay, something for Steve. Oh, it's so cute. 70s outfit. What size? I need medium or large. Mediums! I can wear this. Yay, this is for me. So I would say this is at least $20. By the way, I'm just giving very rough price. I don't know all the detailed pricing. So this is for first item for myself. Princess t-shirt, XX, small, extra small. So I get this for myself, at least $25. Can I wear this? Can I please tell me this is my size? Yes, large hoodie. Yes, I'm so excited. Oh my God, do you know how expensive is this thing here? Okay, I'm gonna put this on right now. I can finally wear something. Oh, I love this. Okay, this is at least $60. Halloween around the corner. Yay, we have a Mickey head. This I'll say $20. Oh, another outfit. But what is this? XL hoodie, but there's no Disney stuff. So this is interesting. There's nothing to say Disney. So I would say $10. How is this getting in here? Might be before Christmas. I don't know how much this is, probably $10. We have a little fan here. A lot of time I found that this kind of stuff, the battery always die. but this I would say $15. Put it right here. How much is total now? Okay, this is damage because it's a bubble one. There's a one down. There's supposed to another contain another piece here, so this is damage. Yeah, this is gonna be trash. Trash item. We're not gonna put price in here. Oh, the pen board. I think they sell 2 for $25. I think I can definitely use this. Oh, Mickey Mouse ear. This is at least $20. We're gonna put 15 just because. The sunglasses. Let me try it. That's pretty nice. I would say at least $15. Oh, this is so cute. It's a clip-on. For my niece, I would say at least $10. Classic Mickey Mouse toy. Oh, this is cute. It is the 2025 one. So I would say it's at $10. Okay, you know I did nothing less than $10, right? Everything is so expensive. And then we'll have another toy here, $10. Oh, it's hot right now wearing this. This is gonna be great for the winter, but not for summertime. In California, it's still very hot during the daytime. But yeah, I'm definitely keeping this. I'm so excited. Okay. The Halloween lanyard. Okay, the light is, oh, okay. The light is working, but it doesn't stay on. So I think I don't know. But this is selling for $20 at least. We are going to Oogie Boogie tonight. I think I'm gonna have Uncle Don wear this. We're probably gonna tape this down to make this light up the whole time. So yeah, that's cute. Oh my God. This is totally for my niece. I would say at least $10. Oh, this is nice. This is their new key chart. I think this is $15. Now we have a can opener things with a, oh, I see this one's kind of broken here. See that? Yeah, maybe we can maybe recycle this. I'll say that $5. Toy cards, probably $10. How much is total now? Are you guys keeping track? Another key charm. Did I say 15? So we have 2 of this. Very, very cute. These are the on shoulder thing, but it's missing the base. It's missing the base. So I think that if we can just put some magnet down below, it's still gonna work. I'll say $10. Same thing for Rami, but it's missing the base. $10. We have a little cup here, but it's missing the cup, missing the top. I'll say $5. It could still be using to drink this at home. Are you guys feel pretty good about this right now? Oh, Marie pens. Maybe pen or pencil, let's see. Pen, Marie pens. There's 2 in here. I would say $10 for both. We have a little, I feel like it's missing something down here. So I'm gonna say $1. Gaston statue little toy. I'll say $2. I think they come in the sets. Pinocchio, that's say $2. I think this is a Boo, right? $2. We have a lanyard. Let's say $2. I have no idea the price. I'm just guessing. Okay, another lanyard, $2. We have 2 cute Winnie the Pooh key charms. They are at least $20 for both. Jewelry. Let's see what's in here. What's this? Oh, it's broken. I think it's some kind of necklace. It also has a little ring here. Oh, I dropped that. So all this is broken jewelry, but I think if you can fix this, it will be nice. See that? That's bracelets. One of my sister very good at DIY. She can fix all this. I'm not gonna put price on this. It's totally damaged. Little princess crown. They are at least $10 at the park. Key charm. I know they're selling like maybe 4 or 5 as a pat, and they're at least $10, $15, so $30 here. Hey, this is the little mystery bag they have. It sold out in one day, Marie. This is about $10, believe it or not. It's a magnet. We just need to glue this together. So now this has price. This is at least $10 here, mini from. Not gonna put price in here. I think this may be the crop for the shoes. What do you think? Parrot. So I'm not putting price on this. So total $635. Wow. So what do you think? Do you think this is a good box? Leave a comment down below. If you want to see me to open more mystery box like this, leave a comment down below. I'm gonna ask my friend to give me some more. Guess what? Surprise! We are doing a giveaway for this video. Let me show you what's the giveaway. One lucky winner gonna get the Mickey Mouse ear, the Prince t-shirt extra small, key charms. The key charm here, you're gonna get the whole thing here. You get 4 key charms. The giveaway. Now see the next slide for the giveaway information. If you like video like this, make sure you follow me, subscribe my YouTube channel here, and let me know if I should do more of these mystery boxes from Disney employee store. Thank you so much for watching my video, and the person who got me this box, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.